Dear students, today we will see Godown in the inventory concept. And what this Godown is? Godown means a store for keeping goods safe and secure. It may be warehouse, rack, shelf or bin, etc. Okay. And if you want to see location-wise movement of stock, you have to accept the Godown option in the features of Tally. In Tally, there is an option called Allow Multiple Godowns. And if you select Multiple Godown Yes in the features, then it will activate the Godown option. Then how we can create a Godown? So step 1, switch to Gateway of Tally. And then step 2, select Inventory Info. Step 3, select Godowns. And then step 4, create. Okay. And afterwards, in the name field, you have to give the name of the location. You can see here. This is Godown creation screen. Name of the location. Maybe we want to keep the items in the head office. So name as head office. Give an alias name for the name if required. That is another name. Give the address. Okay. If necessary, give the address in the address column. And then give the location under which the location is to be subgroup. It is under primary, those things you can specify. Commonly you can take primary. Then allow storage of material. When we are taking Godown, we want to store the material. So allow storage of material as yes and press enter to accept. Next, displaying and altering stock location or Godown in Tally. You can display or alter Godown in the same way how we created stock group or stock item. So we can see, go to Gateway of Tally, Inventory Info, in that location or Godown, then display. Okay, same way to alter, go to Gateway of Tally, Inventory Info, locations or Godowns, in that alter and select the Godown to make the alteration. And even in the Godown, there is an option called multiple, single and multiple. So the same way we can take Gateway of Tally, Inventory Info, then Godown, then multiple, then the display. Okay. So display you can take from the multiple or from the single. Multiple is to create many items at a time. Single is to create single item one time. You want to alter the multiple stock location or Godown, the same type of method. Go to Gateway of Tally, Inventory Info, locations or Godown, then the alter. Then you can delete Godown. If the Godown is not used in the invoice, then we can press Alt plus D in the alteration screen. Now I'll show demo on all these concepts. Okay, in the inventory info, you can find Godown here. Okay, if it is not available, go to features, then inventory features, and you have to select maintain multiple Godown. Yes. Okay, we have already used Godown option, so selecting no is not possible now. So that means if already it is active and if it is used in the invoice, then again deselecting this Godown is not possible. So already there is yes. So there is an option here now, Godown in the inventory info. So go to Gateway of Tally, in the inventory info, godowns and then create. Okay, and if the address is not available, press the configure and take allow address for godown. Yes, here it is already yes. Press enter. Then we can create. Maybe for example, I will create one godown. So market godown. Address New Hubli Road, Hubballi. Then under. If already some godowns are there, in that you want to create another godown, then we can select existing godown. Otherwise, directly we can take primary. Then you can see here, allow storage of material. Yes. And then go on job costing facility that we do not know. Press enter. So one godown is created. We can see display. It will show all the godown available. So we have created market godown. There is alter option. Now market godown and you can press Alt D to delete. Now we can delete. Now there are no entries exist related to this godown. So we can delete. But if I try to delete B, if I press Alt D now, it will not take since there are entries related to this B godown, A godown. Okay. Then the next concept is in the inventory info, go down, you can see single and multiple. Single godown, gateway of tally, inventory info, single godown, in that create, display, alter. In that multiple godown, in that create. Now we can see here, so all items, under godown all items, then we can create the godown. Maybe for example, I'll take C, primary, D. So you can take many number of godown. You can create many godown under primary by using this concept. And after the work, just press enter to accept the changes. Okay. So we have created C and D godown by using multiple. In the same way, display. It will display all the items, all the godown available, and then alter to modify all the items. So these are the concepts related to godown and even related to inventory. We have seen concepts like compound unit, units of measure, simple unit, compound unit, units of measure, then how to configure the stock item, then creation of stock item, creation of stock group, creation of stock category. Okay, all these options in this chapter 3. In the next class, I will take 4th chapter, that is trial balance. But it's not about only the trial balance, it is about all the reports of tally. And they named it as a trial balance. That means all the reporting section we will see in the next chapter. Thank you, students. God bless you.